Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market. We got a 2015 Kenworth W900 factory built glider kit, built with a pre-emission 12.7 liter Detroit, 18 speed, a little over 800,000 total miles on it. It's got a wet kit, got it hot. I'm going to do a full walk around, show you a blow by, oil pressure, interior. Don't really have the full mechanical history on this one. We're told it was overhauled 400,000 or 500,000 miles ago. You can see that it's got a newer head. We have the option to either completely overhaul the engine or sell it like it is. It does have some life left in it, in my opinion, but I'll go ahead and show you what we got. A little bit on the heavier side of moderate on blow-by, which is to be expected, knowing that it's got some miles on the engine. But all Detroits are going to have some, so. Body and paint's excellent. Fenders are in great shape. The grill and bumper are really nice. Got one ding right up there. Nothing major. It's got all new rubber. Steps, tanks, all are in good shape. Aluminum looks good. Back of the cab's clean. This truck came out of Alabama, so it's been a southern truck. No rust anywhere. All aluminum wheels. Nice slider with the blockable fifth wheel. Really good brakes as well. The old school box sleeper that's in here gives you just enough space. Take a nap if you need it. There's your 18 speed, 4 gauges. Got an ABS light on, which we can be taken care of upon sale. The reason I think this truck's got some life left to it, the blow-by is a little heavier, but again, most Detroits are going to have some, but your oil pressure is great. It runs great. Your low side is going to be, really, even if it gets just a hair hotter, in the 30s there, which is phenomenal for a Detroit. Smooth through the RPMs, and oil pressure jumped up good. Guys, appreciate you watching. If you got any more questions, you can definitely give me a call at 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.